Hey, Javian, you want to go to Maine?
Maine? Which one?
Yeah, it's 1,972 miles. You want to go do that?
Yes.
Yeah. Adventurous kid. I'm a proud uncle. So we're in the beautiful and famous Gatlinburg. My nephew is eager to see some snow for the first time ever, which it did snow here the week before arriving, so I figured if we drive deeper into the Smoky Mountains, there could be some leftover snow in the shadows of the mountains that hasn't melted yet. So that's what we did, and lo and behold, I was right. Y'all, so we made it to NEWFOUND GAP. Very iconic place in Gatlinburg for nice views.
And here's some snow.
Javian has found snow for the first time in his 8 years of life, and he can't do nothing but throw snowball, of course, because he's going crazy. He's going snow crazy. Some people though didn't have their snow legs develop yet. That's an icicle shank. Yo, we gotta be careful. But I don't want an icicle to fall on my head. Let me see that. Show me it. That's crazy. So Javian had his first battle wound, his adventure wound. He slipped on the ice and got a gnarly cut on his nose. Show me, dude. You gotta show this. It's part of the adventures.
Battle scar, yeah. Like Theo, you know how he got hurt in Costa Rica?
Exactly.
Surprise, motherfucker.
There's the battle scars, dude. That's what adventure's all about. Look at that. Yeah.
Oh, I love that smile.
Yeah, you're okay.
Like that.
It's okay. It happens.
Whoa!
Back in the day, I climbed this trail too. And we went to ALUM CAVE Trail. That's where we went.
Whoa!
Yeah, man. Let's walk that trail. Hear that sound? It's called peace. I want to feel that every day of my life. So please, people, stop stressing me. ALUM CAVE Trail is a moderately difficult 4.4 miles round trip hike that follows for the most part a running river, which is honestly the best part, being able to walk among the rocks and the beautiful falling cascades.
If you're trying to get to that rock in the middle,
Yeah, they gotta jump over, and it's wet. No, he's crazy. Wow.
Now, we didn't hike the full trail since we were short on time, but we did manage to make it to the first prominent landmark of the popular trail, which is the Arch Rock.
We made it!
Overall, this trail is amazing, a popular one here in the Smoky Mountains, and with good reason, because no matter what season or time you decide to come, it's always beautiful and adventure can easily be found here.